Hello students, I am Shubha Prasad and I will help you to learn physics. First, I would like to welcome you in your new class, which you are not attending physically, but you are getting the opportunity through electronic medium. And it is interesting that this has become possible due to knowledge of physics. While studying different fields of physics, you will realize how important role physics holds in the world of knowledge. You already know that physics is the systematic study of nature and natural phenomena. In nature, around us, we see flow of water and feel motion of wind. We know about the motion of earth around the sun, which is the cause of change in seasons. We see sunrise and sunset every day, which results in occurrence of day and night. We know that change in size of moon as seen by us is due to its motion around the earth. There are so many events that we see happening around us, and we find that every event follows some rules or laws, and these basic laws are explained through the knowledge of physics. So we can say that physics is the most basic of all sciences. You can think about the role of physics in various aspects of our life, and then you will realize that the knowledge of physics is present everywhere around us. As you go through different sections of physics, you will find its applications all around our life, and that proves the importance of physics. Before beginning our lessons, I would like to preview the syllabus of class 11, which is modified for your session. In the modified syllabus provided by JAC Board, you can see there are 4 columns. In the first column, the name of the chapters are given, which are in the syllabus of class 11. You can see on the screen. In the second column, it is mentioned whether that chapter is included for your session or not. In the third column, the names of the topics are given, which you have to study for your exam, and the topics given in the fourth column are deleted, which are not included for your session. So you have to cover the topics given in the third column only. Now we will see the topics one by one, chapter wise. The first chapter, physical world, is deleted completely. So your syllabus will begin with the second chapter, that is unit and measurement. In this chapter, we will see the need of measurement in physics and hence units and dimensions of physical quantities in details. Next chapter is motion in a straight line, in which you will study about uniform and non-uniform motion and understand the velocity and acceleration with complete details. It also includes a concept of frame of reference, and you will also get the idea of graphical representation of motion. Then comes the section motion in plane, and to understand that, first you will get the concept of scalar and vector quantities and knowledge of vector algebra. In this section, you will study projectile motion and uniform circular motion. Next chapter is laws of motion. Some portions in this chapter are omitted, and the topics that you have to do are concepts of force, inertia, momentum, impulse. You will study laws of motion and the conservation of linear momentum. You will also study friction and centripetal force. in the chapter Work, Energy and Power, you will study all three quantities work, energy and power in details, and there is an important work energy theorem. You will study about potential energy also along with kinetic energy. In this section, collision is not included, so we will not cover it. After this comes the chapter Motion of System of Particles and Rigid Body. In this section, you will get the concept of torque, angular momentum and rigid body, followed by rotational motion, and you will also learn about moment of inertia and radius of gyration. Next chapter is gravitation, in which you will study universal law of gravitation and acceleration due to gravity, then gravitational potential energy and concept of escape velocity. You will also learn Kepler's laws of planetary motion. The section Mechanical Properties of Solid, which covers elasticity, is deleted completely. The next chapter is Mechanical Properties of Fluids. In this section, you will cover Bernoulli's theorem with applications. You will get the concept of surface energy and surface tension, angle of contact, application of surface tension to drops and soap bubbles, and also capillary rise. The viscosity and hydrostatic portions are completely deleted. After this comes the chapter Thermal Properties of Matter, in which you will get the concepts of heat, temperature, thermal expansion, specific heat capacity. You will understand calorimetry and also study change of state and latent heat. Next two sections, thermodynamics and behavior of perfect gas and kinetic theory, are completely deleted. Then comes the chapter Oscillation, in which you will study periodic motion, its characteristics, simple harmonic motion, which is in short known as SHM, in detail, and simple pendulum, including its time period. The last chapter is Waves, in which you will understand longitudinal and transverse waves and speed of wave motion. You will learn progressive wave and displacement relation for progressive wave, the superposition principle and reflection of waves, then organ pipes, beats and Doppler effect are deleted. So this completes the syllabus of class 11 for your session. Keeping in mind the portions you have to study, which is given in the third column, you can prepare for the examination in proper manner. Following the syllabus, we will begin our class with the chapter Unit and Measurement in the next meet. Good luck.